What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the Stocked Up trading floor. The market this week was very choppy, but also slightly bullish. Basically, as we zoom into a 5-minute chart, the market has been in a very tight range for a while now, and we are starting to slowly break out of that, which is a good thing because when the market is stuck in a range, it makes for a lot of choppy movement, and it's harder to trade in the short term. But we are starting to see an increase in volatility, which is a great thing. Another way to plot the volatility is to look at the VIX index. Basically, it's at its lowest level that it has been at for quite a while now, actually even before the pandemic in 2020. So that just goes to further reiterate the current volatility levels we are seeing in the market right now. But with that being said, let's get right into this week's recap. There are no new swing plays, but we did have a couple hybrid bot plays for the week. Looking at the first one, we had some Apple put options on the 27th, and this one ended up being a dud. It was a failed breakdown, which sucks to see, but again, it does happen from time to time. We had another play, which was the Amazon puts on the 28th, and this one ended up moving by around 20%, so it was definitely a better play, but it definitely was not a home run like the Baidu play from the 22nd, or even you could say the Tesla play from the 16th, or anything like that. It was definitely a slower week than normal, again, because we are seeing volatility by many measurable ways at levels that we've not seen in a long time. And when volatility decreases, it makes for less movement. So the bad news is that this week there wasn't really too much action. But the good news is that chop fests, as I like to call them, normally don't last for too long. At this point, the market has been very choppy for a while now, and it almost always moves in one way or another, within, a couple days or so. So good news is that next week should be a lot easier to trade, but even so, the other bots like Bot Counter, SM Bot, Surge Bot, Stocked Up Bot, and all those other bots absolutely crushed it. UPST was definitely one of the plays of the week, as it just went absolutely ballistic on Friday and it popped by over 21%. Some of the options on Upstart or UPST popped by 3,700% from when the bots started calling them out. So definitely no complaints there, and those were definitely some home runs. But with everything being said, thank you guys so much for watching. There were no new theta updates either, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to a great week in the market.